What's up, guys? Lionel Turner here, One Way Property Services, out here doing a driveway today in beautiful, lovely Oceanside, California. Pretty cool house that it's actually being flipped right now. There's no tenants. Wonder what this bad boy's gonna go for. Probably a mill something out here, but hey, we get the benefit of coming out here and cleaning this. This was actually like a buddy of mine who owns a concrete company. They lay the concrete, they do a bunch in the back. But these need to get prettied up. He gives me a call, so I'm grateful for that. So we're gonna lay this down with some chem. I'm gonna do it with the X-Jet, try to get a much hotter mix than what my downstreaming. And we're gonna see how beautiful this thing turns out. Stay tuned. Right, got it all laid down. Gotta let this dwell for a little bit, start breaking down these organics. A lot of times, some of these driveways don't look, say, dirty per se, but it's just years and years and years of just being on the elements and not really getting clean. See some scuff marks, we'll get those out. But I expect to see this lighten up quite a bit. It won't look like that, that's brand new. But it'll definitely look a whole lot better. We're gonna take it down to the street over there. It'll look nice and pretty. Stay tuned. Alright guys, Strips cleaned it all up. You can just tell how much dirt is caked up inside the concrete. Like I said, you look at it and you go, oh, you know, it's kind of discolored. It's, you know, it's not really that dirty. And you realize, no, there's a lot of dirt. A lot of dirt. So these things that were scuffs, that's actually concrete. Like concrete that dried. But looking good. Now it's time for the rinse down. right, for a lot of guys, that'd be a wrap. For us though, nah. Camera down. We gotta take care of that. All right. Got the weeds taken care of. Got it all rinsed down. No lines. Some rust marks. We're not here to take care of that. Maybe when they get right over the construction, that's something you want to do. We have to come back and get that separate ticket item. But looking good. No lines, no lines. That's when you know a pro's been there. So we got the weeds right here. They are kind of deep. However, we got them all knocked out. And then what we're gonna do is post-treat. When we post-treat, when the bleach that's on there, we'll go ahead and probably kill. We'll be able to get down to the roots. So let's do our post-treat, wrap it up, and go home. All right, guys, that's a wrap. We have it all post-treated. It's been dwelling for a little bit with the post-treat. Came out looking really, really nice. I think the customers will be very happy. I know they're trying to flip the house. Spray down the garage door, just little things. Just, you know, you gotta have that looking all clean. You have a dusty garage door. I already have to hit the bottom of it. Might as well get the whole entire thing. So, yeah, one-way property services, Lionel Turner out of Oceanside, California, number 760-703-9563. Give us a call. Let us take care of you. Out.